So I saw your email question in email. Here's an abbreviation of it. You have two gears that mesh, and a key, they say inversely proportional, and so that tells you this is the equation. Y equal k over x. If it had been directly proportional, it would have been y equal k times x. Okay, so you have a small gear, they give both the diameter and the revolutions per minute. Then you have a large gear, they want you to find diameter given the revolution per minute. These two gears are meshing together, inversely proportional. So we need to find k, and so we can find k with this information here. So you could let y be either of these values. I guess I let y be the RPMs, 2,880, and x be the diameter, 16. So you want to find, you plug them into the equation. You need to find k, so you just multiply each side by 16. That come out 46,080. That's the value k. Then you come back here to the equation and you substitute that in for k. And let's see, I let y be what the diameter, or wait, no, it's RPMs. And so I got to be consistent here. So y will be the RPMs, and then x will be the diameter, which is what I'm looking for. And so here's the equation. Multiply each side by x. That leaves you a 60x equal 46,080. Divide each side by 60, and we have the answer. Hope this helps.